One of the first decisions that you will have to make as a business owner is how the business should be structured. All businesses must adopt some legal configuration that defines the rights and liabilities of participants in the business's ownership, control, personal liability, lifespan, and financial structure. The following points are taken into consideration while selecting a form of business organization. 1. Easy information. The primary consideration in making the choice is the formalities required for its formation. The formation of a business organization should be easy without many legal formalities. An organization which involves the least expenses in formation and minimum legal formalities is the best. 2. Easy in raising finance. Capital is the lifeblood of the business. We can't even consider starting a firm without funds. When a great amount of funds is needed, a stock corporation may be the best option, but the ease with which funds may be generated would be critical. 3. Flexibility of operation. A good form of business organization should allow all types of changes without any difficulty. 4. Stability and continuity. The continuity of existence and stability are the essential factors. The company form of organization is the only form having perpetual existence. 5. Maintenance of secrecy. Secrecy is of prime importance in business concerns. Accordingly, the entrepreneur would select the sole proprietorship for that reason. 6. Government regulation. In case of a sole proprietorship, government control is minimum. A sole proprietor organization is not expected to meet many legal requirements. A partnership form of organization is also free from government regulations. Even its registration is not compulsory, but a number of formalities are required to be complied in forming a company. 7. Liability. Taxation basis is different in each type of organization. Ownership and control. An ideal form of organization is one which provides incentive, initiative, and active interest to its owners. The vast majority of small businesses start out as sole proprietorships. These firms are owned by one person, usually the individual who has day-to-day responsibility for running the business. Sole proprietorships own all the assets of the business and the profits generated by it. They also assume complete responsibility for any of their liabilities or debts. These are some of the advantages of sole proprietorship. These are some of the disadvantages of sole proprietorship. In a partnership, two or more people share ownership of a single business. Like proprietorships, the law does not distinguish between the business and its owners. The partners should have a legal agreement that sets forth how decisions will be made, profits will be shared, disputes will be resolved, how future partners will be admitted to the partnership, how partners can be bought out, or what steps will be taken to dissolve the partnership when needed. Yes, it's difficult to think of a breakup when the firm is just starting up, but many partnerships break up at times of crisis, and unless there is a set procedure, there will be far more issues. These are some of the advantages of partnership. These are some of the disadvantages of partnership. A corporation, chartered by the state in which it is headquartered, is considered by law to be a unique entity, separate and apart from those who own it. The shareholders elect a board of directors to oversee the major policies and decisions. The corporation has a life of its own and does not dissolve when ownership changes. These are some of the advantages of corporations. These are some of the disadvantages of corporations. That's it for today. Have a like on the video and subscribe to the channel.